What's up guys? Thanks for visiting my channel. Here in this channel I talk about my ownership of 2012 Lexus RX 350. Today I'm going to be talking about one issue that I have been having for a while that I haven't quite figured out what to do yet. And that issue would be the power liftgate. Now, Lexus RX from 2010 to 2015 seems to have the power liftgate issue. Now, there's a couple of things that you probably need to check. The first thing that you need to be checking is whether the power liftgate is enabled or not. Now, Lexus has this hidden button under the glove box. If you look at the left-hand side, there's this little button that allows you to enable and disable the power liftgate. So you should probably check that first. Second thing you probably need to check is whether the battery on your key fob is still working or not. Maybe that's why it's not opening the power liftgate. Now, there's a different button that allows you to open the power liftgate, and that button is located right on the left side. It's right here. Alright, I'll show you guys what the issue is. Now, when I get the key fob and then hit the power liftgate button on it, it gives me that long beep for some reason. So what I've been doing is that I've been just like manually lifting it. And then same thing, if I try to close it, you're gonna hear the same beep. And that is super annoying. If you're getting the same error, highly likely that your power liftgate is broken. It's either the struts or it's the motor for the power liftgate. Now, when I bought this car, the power liftgate was working inconsistently, and I didn't mind having that. I took it to the Lexus dealership and got a quote on it. And I'm gonna show you guys how much they quoted me on. When I visited the Lexus dealership and told them that the power liftgate wasn't working, what they did is that first replace the struts, but that didn't solve the issue. But then what they decided to do is they were like, well, the engine is bad, so that needs to be repaired. And then the quote for that would be something like $722. I didn't got that done when I was there. I just didn't have the money at the time. So at some point down the road, I will need to pay that amount and then get it fixed. Guys, I hope you found this video helpful. If you have any questions or concerns, please leave your comments down below. And if you like this video, don't forget to smash that like button. I hope I will see you guys on the next one.